We've taken a look at a handful of Apex wheels here on the MartiniWorks Unboxed channel, but one that we haven't yet is the Apex EC7. So we have a set right here, which is actually for a friend and customer of ours that we're going to be mounting some tires to, and they can pick them up, and they're actually going on their BMW, and I think they're going to look absolutely killer. So the EC7 from Apex Wheels is a windowed 7-spoke design, a little bit more of a rounder spoke design compared to their Arc 8, which was like their first wheel that they launched with. EC7 adding just a little bit more curvature to it, and I think it looks absolutely killer. Now this is part of their classic series of wheels. We do get a slight bowl cut center that gets a little bit more aggressive depending on the size of the wheel, and we are going to get a decent amount of concavity out of this wheel, especially as you get up into the larger widths and the more aggressive offsets. So this being an 18x9 plus 30, I believe, we're not going to get anything too crazy, but we do get a good amount of concavity, specifically right towards the center of the wheel. Now, like I said, that's going to change depending on your width and offset, just like in most wheels. Now, Apex does do multiple concavity profiles, so depending on that width and depending on that offset that you get is going to push this into a different concavity profile so you can get the most out of it that you can. Now this does allow for some pretty big brake clearance as well. That's something that Apex does an incredible job in doing, is measuring all the vehicles that they expect these wheels to go on, 3D scanning a lot of vehicles in some cases, so they can allow for as much brake clearance as possible. So they do say that this has an insane amount of big brake clearance on their website, and I believe them because they do give a lot of room, especially on the backside of this wheel. Now, this being in the Classic series, this is a flow form constructed wheel. This is not a fully forged monoblock wheel, but what that does is makes it a great entry into getting into a set of Apex wheels that offer a great strength to weight ratio without spending a ton of money on something like forged wheels. Those obviously reach up into the multiple thousands of dollars when it comes to a set of wheels like that. So if you do like the Apex brand, if you like their wheels, the EC7 is a great one to get into. There are a decent amount of options for it, which we'll get into in just a second, and they aren't going to break the bank, coming in mostly under $2,000 for a set of these. Now, you notice on a lot of other Apex wheels, specifically their forged stuff, that you will get things like bead knurling. That is not the case on the EC7, but we do get the engraved specs on the back to make it easy to tell which wheel is which, and some other features that you can find across the Apex brand. Now, we do also have center caps for these. And the one thing that I think is kind of cool for the EC7, I believe some other Apex wheels as well, is that if you want to keep your BMW center caps, which apparently a lot of BMW owners like to do, the size of the opening here is able to accept those BMW center caps, which I think is pretty neat. So we're gonna go ahead and pop our Apex one in for now. I'll have to pop this out when we put the tires on them and everything, but I think that finishes the look off pretty well. Now, of course, these things are backed by a ton of engineering and certifications. Of course, they are VIA certified. And then again, it is backed by Apex's known engineering standards that they go through a ton of rigorous testing and engineering to get to where they are. They're an absolutely fantastic brand when it comes to aftermarket wheels, a new kid on the block, essentially. And they've been doing an incredible job, and they've been producing some absolutely killer wheels the last few years. Now, of course, you know, we got to get the weight on these. So like I said, we got our scale here. Let's go ahead and get this on. Again, this is an 18x9 plus 30 EC7 flow forward wheel coming in 20.8 pounds. So pretty good, pretty on par with most flow form wheels of this size and of this face design. Obviously, you do have a lot going on the face design of the wheel here, so you are going to get a little bit more weight, but typically more strength comes with that as well. And by that, I mean you are looking at load ratings anywhere from between 1,550 pounds up to 1,650 pounds, depending on the size of the wheel, which, again, really solid. Now, as far as sizings and offerings for the Apex EC7, you're going to be looking at 18 and 19 inch diameters only, with widths ranging from 8.5 to 11 inches. Now, these are going to have great options for your staggered fitments, specifically BMWs. A lot of them, if they're not all-wheel drive, are running some sort of staggered option, which they do a really good job offering things for. 5x1 14.3, 5x1 20, and 5x1 20.65 bolt patterns are where you're going to be able to find that 0.65 coming in, of course, for some Corvette options, which gets a little bit funky with their bolt pattern, but they do offer it for this wheel. Now, 4 finishes to choose from as well. You're gonna have that anthracite or dark gray finish, the race silver, which we have right here, satin black, and of course, satin bronze. So pretty monotone color scheme across the board, but I think it does a pretty good job. And the finishes do look really, really nice. They are a quality finish and they hold up really well. All things considered, if you are looking to get into a set of Apex wheels, you don't want to drop a fortune on a set of them, I think the EC7 is a great entry-level option from Apex, and it has a good range of options for everything from European cars like BMWs, some domestic options like those Corvettes, and of course a plethora of JDM cars with the 5-in-1 14.3 bolt pattern. Now that's going to open up a range from $1,536 a set up to $1,976 in the upper intermediate price point, I would say, depending of course on that size. But really competitive with a lot of other brands out there like Enkei and Koenig specifically, especially as prices just seem to continue to rise. I think these are in a pretty competitive spot and you are getting a really good wheel for the money. So if you want to check these out for yourself, see what options are out there for your car, we have these available on MartiniWorks.com. Go ahead and hit the Apex brand page on there. You can check out all the options, including the EC7. And of course, if you ever need help picking out a set of wheels for your car, need some fitment help, whatever it might be, we're there to do so. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to check out Apex on MartiniWorks.com. We'll see you later.